Hi guys, it's Jana. Today I brought my all-time favorite recipe, vegan japchae. I love this recipe because everyone loves it, no matter they are vegan or non-vegan. Alright, let me show you how to make it. First, soak dried shiitake mushroom in warm water. If you use fresh ones, you can skip this step. Chop off fresh garlic and ginger. Slice onion and red pepper. Cut green part of scallion in about pinky length. And slice white part. When the mushrooms are soft, squeeze excess water and trim the stem and slice thinly. Now cook Dangmyeon, glass noodle in boiling water. According to the package direction, about 5 to 7 minutes. And then drain and rinse in cold water. Then toast it in sesame oil, soy sauce, and sugar. Now we have a pan and some oil. First add garlic and onion. Stir fry a little bit and then add carrot and rest of veggies. Add just a pinch of salt and pepper. Then marinate the shiitake mushroom. I have marinade recipe in the description box, so you can check it out there. Now you can add glass noodle, mix up all together. Then add more sesame oil, soy sauce, and sugar. Stir fry until the noodles are soft and transparent and slightly brown. You see, the noodles became slightly brown and transparent. That's where we want to go for. Ta-da! I have made this japchae for maybe 10 or 20 times, and every time it was a hit. So this time I brought it for my friend's pool party. We had so many. Yes! Japchae. Everyone really enjoyed it.
It feels
Good?
weird.
It's so good.
Good? Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video. Bye!